Review by the United States Department of Defense Intelligence Services has provided a rare insight into the consensus in the Pentagon regarding the development of the world's first non-American intercontinental range strategic stealth bomber developed, the Chinese H-20. The aircraft is projected to become operational sometime in the 2030s, providing a significant leap in offensive capabilities for the Chinese People's Liberation Army (PLA) Air Force. The report elaborated regarding the program that the service is seeking to extend its power projection capability with the development of a new H-20 stealth strategic bomber, with official PRC People's Republic of China, state media stating that this new stealth bomber will have a nuclear mission in addition to filling conventional roles, and is developing new medium and long-range stealth bombers to strike regional and global targets. Details on the medium-range stealth bomber remain scarce, although it has been widely speculated that such an aircraft could be developed as an extended-range derivative of the J-25th generation fighter, which already has a very long range of close to 4,000 kilometers using internal fuel.